preventing people's participation in literacy programs. Currently, Madam is also heading the Model Syllabi Committee of the 2-year B.Ed program. Knowing Madam as a person who is very focused, forthright in what she believes, and someone who we could relate and I could relate and learn from, especially at a few interactions with her at the Model Syllabi Committee in Delhi. So with this, Madam, again, a welcome to our institution. I would also want to introduce our manager, Father Blaise D'Souza, manager of SXIE since June 2012. Jesuit mission for the last 50 years. Father has worked for 34 years in various rural areas like Nandurbar, Dhule, Raigad, Thane, and 1 year in Ahmednagar. He has also worked for rural upliftment, social and economic health, education in the non-formal sector, for children dropout, women's empowerment programs, and last year at Ashgad for 2 ashram schools, and the assignment was at Ashgad for 2 ashram schools, the Zilla Parishad schools for 8 years. Father has also been involved in training Balwadi teachers, supplementary teacher training, adult literacy programs, etc. He has contributed a manual called as TRACE, which has helped in developing rural education. This manual is being used by the Tata Institute of Social Sciences and the Nirmala Niketan for practical work. Father has been a great support to our institution, and the area of collaboration and networking, all that Father has to say is, we can never do things alone. Sybil, you need to collaborate, you need to network and work together. And so we are thankful to our manager for being present, for being the inspiration behind today's program. And so now I spend the next few minutes in just developing a background for today's discussion that we are going to have. And so before I begin, again, I would like to address respected Dr. Anita Rampal, Dr. Surendra Kulkarni, Dr. M.N. Deshmukh, principals of various colleges, members of the Board of Studies, member of our Research and Recognition Committee, Dr. Veena Deshmukh. So on behalf, and of course, all of you teacher educators and my colleagues, on behalf of Father Blaise, our manager, the management of this institution, the non-teaching and teaching staff, we welcome each one of you to our institution. As I stand here before you to share a few thoughts on this event, I would also want to acknowledge that these thoughts have been a joint understanding of Dr. Pooja Birvatkar from ORF and myself, who have constantly interacted on this theme and purpose of this seminar along with the ORF team. And all that we share is what we had in mind before and as we planned this event. I would like to also begin with a quote taken from Justice Verma Committee's report, which begins which he quotes Socrates, and the quote goes like this: "Fellow citizens, why do you turn and scrap every stone to gather every wealth, and so little care for your children, to whom one day you must relinquish it all?" These words of ancient wisdom resonate even today in modern reality, in a world where we are caught up with consumerism and modernity within quotes. We have also seen that right through the inception of civilization, education has been considered as an act of love for our children, and it is through education